Bonjour. My friends always ask how I stay so elegant, even in less elegant situations.
The secret? I don't stink.
How?
I could tell you. Or I could sing you! I once used deodorants you find in most stores. The aluminum kind that traps toxins in pores. All natural was better if it's better to have a rash. I smelled like sweet citruses rotting into ash. And through all those years with stench in my pits, there was no solution for stench when I sipped. I scratched and I sniffed, but I still caught a whiff. I smelled gloomy until Lume.
The deodorant for pits and private parts.
Lume is the world's best natural deodorant. In fact, in a head-to-head study with Native and Schmitz, Lume controls odor over 6 times longer than both.
Lume is clinically proven to work for 72 hours straight.
Just like my butler. Except Lume does not cry. It's fine, he's my husband. Lume is aluminum-free and doesn't trap toxins in your skin. And with no baking soda, no rashes. Lume is the first deodorant that's safe to use anywhere, like lady parts, man parts, Napoleon Bonaparte, all the parts.
For the pits, apply Lume like normal. For everywhere else, just apply like a lotion. How does Lume work? No. This time I tell you. All body odor has the same cause. The pits, bacteria. The crotch, bacteria. The butt, bacteria. Most southern odor is caused by bacteria migrating from the butt. It's open borders down there.
Every time your body sweats or releases other fluid, bacteria eat that fluid on your skin and fart out an odor. It makes you stink, and everyone else, les misérables. Other deodorants try to cover up the odor after it forms.
Like spraying perfume on a fart. It just smells like farty perfume. Lume works because it paralyzes the bacteria and literally stops them from
Eating and reeking.
eliminating odor before it begins. You are stink-free. You are not.
So if you have a body or odor or both, click the link above and get Lume today.
How?
Lume was invented by an OBGYN and is safe for any external use. Francois?
Oui.
Go put this on your butt.
Oui.
Plus, Lume is water-based, so it doesn't stain your clothes like other deodorants, which means less time doing laundry and more time for angst. Princeton Consumer Research said,
Lume was proven to control odor for 6 times longer than both Schmitz and Native. You can actually use it downstairs too, under your arms, and then...
That's enough, Barry. Don't trust science? How about this review from a perfect stranger?
There is literally no funk at all, pits or privates. After a day without showering and a spin class, no smell.
Still, if you don't like Lume, you can always send it back for a full refund. We do not like conflict.
Lume gives you confidence at the gym, the office, and the bedroom where we sleep.
What do you mean?
So if you want your hoo-ha to smell ooh la la, or you don't want your pit to smell like dog
Breath!
from your pits to your cheeks, you will smell magnifique when you Lume. Click the link above to get Lume today. Lume, live elegantly.
Now that I use Lume now, perhaps we can finally kiss?
One step at a time, Francois. This takes time.
A hug?
We'll talk about it
Firm handshake?
later. Click the link above to get Lume today.